Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Kids on the Coast. I'm doing a quick update today at the block in Potchefstroom. As you can see, there's not much action here. There is a guy out there with two rods, but there hasn't been any shad coming out. It's Monday morning, 8 o'clock, 26th of May. The construction of the bridge is still underway. They're currently trying to now block off the mouth. I'll go closer and show you as they perform their duties there. The water looks perfect today. Okay, this is a closer view. As you can see, the guys are busy. We fishermen are hoping that as they close off this mouth, it'll create a pathway for us to cross on this side, so we can fish all along those areas on the beach where we used to fish before. Now that the bridge is closed, it makes it difficult for us to go all the way around. So hopefully, if they close this mouth, it will make a platform for us to walk on the top. But we won't be able to go too far because they will be opening up another section on the top there, so that the water can flow from the mouth. So remember, this is the Umzimkhulu bridge. It's a bridge that's crossing the Umzimkhulu river. This is the main bridge that our road users use to travel from Potchefstroom towards Tweni, Kumola, all the way that side, in Zumbe area. So now the guys are using alternative routes. So the guys are planning to come this side from Joburg, Pietermaritzburg, Durban. Might as well stay on the N2 until you take the off-ramp in Marburg, Arabi Plaza. Because if you take the 20 off-ramp, you are going to get stuck. You're going to have to U-turn and go all the way around again. Just remember that, guys. It's unnecessary waste of fuel. and it's a headache. There are two guys that are fishing there also, just left of the pool. I think they're trying for bronze bream or copper bream. There's another guy here in the bottom getting set up. Seems like they are getting some bites.